Intro music. Hey everyone! Want to apply for an Indian passport? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get your passport easily. Step 1. Register on the Passport Seva website. Go to www.passportindia.gov.in. Click on New User Registration. Enter your details and create a login ID. Verify your email through OTP. Simple, right? Step 2. Fill the application form. Log into the Passport Seva website. Select Fresh Passport or Reissue Passport. Fill in personal details, address, and emergency contact. Choose the passport type, 36 or 60 pages, normal or Tatkal. Save and submit. Done. Step 3. Pay the fees and schedule an appointment. Pay the application fee, Rs 1500 for normal, Rs 3500 for Tatkal, via net banking, credit debit card, or UPI. Choose the nearest Passport Seva Kendra, PSK. Select an available appointment date and time. Don't forget to download the appointment receipt. Step 4. Visit the Passport Seva Kendra, PSK. Carry the original documents like your Aadhaar card. Address proof, such as voter ID, electricity bill. Date of birth proof, birth certificate, 10th mark sheet. And old passport if you're applying for reissue. Reach 15-30 minutes before your appointment. Complete biometric verification and document submission. Easy peasy. Step 5. Police verification. The local police will visit your home for verification within a few days. Keep all original documents ready. Once verified, your application will be approved. Step 6. Track your passport and delivery. Track your passport status on the Passport Seva website. You'll get an SMS update when it's dispatched. It will be delivered via speed post within 7-14 days. That's it. Now you know how to apply for a passport in India. Like, share and follow for more helpful videos. Bye for now.